Dear students, as a unit number 1 in electronic measurement and instrumentation, we have measurement concepts. In this, so many contents are there. The first one is performance characteristics of instruments, static and dynamic characteristics, DC ammeters, DC voltmeters, series and shunt type of voltmeter, ohm meter, AC voltmeter using rectifiers, RMS responding voltmeters, electronic voltmeter. Okay, coming to the bridges measurement. Okay, we should going to know about Wheatstone bridge, Kelvin bridge, Maxwell bridge, Hayes shearing bridge, Anderson and Wayne bridge, and after that Q meter. Okay, just let us have the introduction about this measurement concept. The knowledge of any parameter mainly depends on measurement. Measuring is basically used to monitor a process or operation or controlling process. There is always a need for improvement and development of new equipment to solve measuring problems. The major problem encountered with any measuring instruments is error. Therefore, it is obviously necessary to select the appropriate measuring instrument and measurement method which minimizes error. The basic concern of any measurements in that the measuring instrument should not affect the quantity being measured. Now, performance characteristics. The performance characteristics of an instrument is essential for selecting the most suitable instrument for specific measuring jobs. The characteristics of an instrument are static characteristics and dynamic characteristics. Okay, before knowing about the characteristics of an instrument, okay, let us know the small definitions regarding this measurement and instrument. What is an instrument? A mechanism used to determine the preset value of a quantity under measurement. What is measurement? The process of determining the amount, degree, or capacity by comparison, either direct or indirect, with the corresponding standards of the system units being used. Accuracy. The degree of exactness of a measurement compared to the desired value. Resolution. The smallest change in a measured variable to which an instrument will respond. Precision. A measure of the consistency or repeatability of measurements, that is, successive reading do not differ. Expected value. The design value, that is the most probable value that calculations indicate one should uh, expect to measurement. Error. The deviation of a true value from the desired value. Sensitivity. The ratio of a change in output of the instrument to a change of input. Now let us see about static characteristics. In general, the static characteristics of an instrument are considered which are used to measure an unvarying process condition. All the static performance characteristics are obtained by one form called calibration.